Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. Welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, I hope you'll consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any new uploads. This video is a subscriber request and I'm happy to give this a try for Janet. Today I'll be mostly using these supplies from the Dollar Tree: an Easter or other sign, a chalkboard, some wood blocks, and some twine, along with your basic chalk paint, hot glue gun, scissors, and paint marker. The first thing I'm doing is removing the two little galvanized metal pieces from the front of this sign, and then I'm removing the hanger, which we will use again at the end. Once I get this tag removed from the back, I'm going to give the back side of this sign 2 coats of Waverly chalk paint in the color white. I decided to paint on the back in case I did want to use the front of the sign in the future. The front design on this sign had 3 vertical planks, so I took my ruler and my paint marker and made those lines on this side. I decided to sand the front down just slightly to make it have more of a rustic look. This chalkboard from the school supplies aisle at Dollar Tree fits perfectly the width of this sign. I had a few options for wording on the sign, and I decided to go with the one that said, "Today I am thankful." So I'm doing my pencil scribbling method on the back, and then I will trace the wording on the top portion of my sign. I want to thank you guys again so much for joining me today on my channel and for all your support in the last 6 weeks since I started up my channel. I'm just amazed at how fast it's growing and all the sweet comments from those of you that have commented on my videos so far. I just appreciate you so much. So if you haven't seen me do this method yet, the pencil that we scribbled on the back is now transferring onto my board because of us tracing the front, kind of like carbon paper. Now I'm taking my painter's marker from Walmart. The brand is actually Elmer's, in case you were wondering. This is a medium tip black, and I'm just going through now and tracing my pencil lines. So Janet had requested a board like this, or some ideas, with a small chalkboard where she could each day record something that she was thankful for. I really love how this turned out, and I hope you do too. At one point, I had thought about making a ginga block frame around the sign just as a finishing touch. Here you can see what it would look like with that. In the end, I decided I liked it better without, but it is definitely an option if that's what you would like to do. Next, I'm going to glue the 2 metal pieces on the top and bottom, and then glue the chalkboard in place. I'm just using hot glue for all of this. And next, I just return the string hanger that the sign came with, just putting it through the opposite direction. So the little plastic tabs to hold it in place are now on what used to be the front and now is the back. And this step is completely optional. I just thought it was a little too plain, so I wanted to add a little bit of greenery I had left over from another project and another one of my Hobby Lobby burlap roses. So here's what your finished product would look like without the greenery and burlap rose. If you like the simple look, you might like this. Here's just a close-up of the wording again. I love the metal pieces that come on this sign. I think they add so much. And here's my finished product. I love it with just that little extra touch, little pop of color with the green. So what do you guys think? Which one do you like better, with the flower and greenery or without? Again, thanks so much for joining me today for this video. I hope you will subscribe if you haven't already, and consider sharing this video with others who may be interested in it. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.